Hey. Hey, baby. Keep on. Poor ear. Hey, baby. I found this dog on the street, and when I called the vet, he just said the best option is putting it to sleep. But he looks so much happier now compared to yesterday. I think it has hope to heal. I don't want to put it to sleep. I'm gonna give this dog a bath right now.
Hi. Yeah.
He smelled so bad back then, and taking bath didn't help to make it go away. We bathe him once a week and put virgin coconut oil all over his body daily. I was so amazed at how fast his skin healed.
You're so cute. Hey. Hey. Cutie pie. Good boy, huh? Stop stretching, gosh. Who is this? Look, hey, how are you? Wanna do your food, little cutie pie.
Months later today, he became a teddy bear.
Benji?
Hey, Monica.
Why do you smell so bad? Huh? You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh my gosh.
Anak jalan-jalan ke pantai.
Benji?
Our housekeepers, Agus and Annie, take really good care of the dogs whenever I'm away. I'm really thankful to have them around. This was the first time we took Benji to the beach. And oh boy, he loved it so much.